Today, we will be making another rainbow-themed snack. Can you guess what it is?
Rainbow bread?
No.
Rainbow cookies?
Yes! We will be making yummy rainbow cookies.
Rainbow cookies? Yummy! I can't wait!
So what are we waiting for?
Let's get started!
But first, let's have a look at the ingredients. For these amazing rainbow cookies, you will need 4 cups of flour, 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, some plastic wrap, red, purple, blue, yellow and green food coloring. Let's get started with these amazing and yummy rainbow cookies. Step 1. Sift the flour, cornstarch and salt into a large bowl and whisk together. Step 2. In a mixer, cream the butter and sugar together. Add the eggs while mixing and scrape down the sides of the bowl. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Step 3. Pour in the flour mixture and mix it all together. Did you know you cannot touch a rainbow? It has no physical structure. Now divide half of the dough into 6 parts. These rainbow cookies are the perfect snack for after school, or just a delicious treat. Step 4. Divide the other half portion into 2 and shape these into thin snakes, about 6 inches long. Keep wrapped and set aside. Step 5. Add a few drops of food coloring to one of the smaller portions of dough and mix it into the dough until you've reached the desired color. Cover this piece with plastic wrap, then roll out and shape into a thin log. It should be more or less the same length as the snake. Step 6. Unwrap the snake piece and place the first colored layer over the top of the snake. Repeat this with 2 more colors for each snake piece. Wrap again and place this in the freezer for at least 1 to 2 hours. Repeat this process with all the other colors.
Step 7. Remove from the freezer
Now slice into 1/4 inch portions. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes until the edges are slightly golden. All done! They look so cool and they smell so delicious.
So what do you think about our rainbow cookies?
It's so yummy. It makes me want to dance.
Yummy in my tummy, yummy in my tummy. Well, there you have it, another rainbow snack that you have to try. Well, we have to go now. Thank you for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye.